Welcome, students. Our in classes is back with a discussion of another school. Today, I'm going to discuss Class 8th, Term 1 Examination 2022-23, conducted by Infant Jesus Convent School, Chandigarh. Our in classes is just providing you the solution of that examination. Maximum marks 80, and the time allotted for the test was of 3 hours. Right? Straight away jumping on to section A. Each question will carry 1 mark in section A. So section A ka bhi part 1. Question number 1. Name the property used. Okay. 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 7 is equal to minus 1 by 7 into 3 by 5. What did I do? 3 by 5 की जगह चेंज करी, minus 1 by 7 की भी जगह चेंज करी, इंटरचेंज कर दी जगह. That is commutative. Right? Next one. On subtracting 30 from 2 times a number, we get 56. This statement in the form of equation. Equation likhni hai, and I don't know the number. Let the number be x. 2 times the number, x. On subtracting 30, 30 is subtracted from 2x, and the final result is 56. So 2x minus 30 is equal to 56. Oh wow, A part is the answer. First pe hi mil gaya answer. Question number 3. The measures of the three angles of a quadrilateral are 65 degrees, 75 degrees, and 85 degrees. The measure of the fourth angle is. Three angles का measure दिया हुआ है, fourth angle निकालना है. Of course, angle sum property 65 plus 75 plus 85 plus x is equal to 350. It's an objective paper, so you don't have to do anything over here. So x की value सीधा डालो, that would be 130. Subtract कर दो यार. ठीक है? Answer is 135. D part is the right option. A child has a block in the shape of a cube with one letter written on each face. A, B, C, D, E, A. Wonderful. The cube is thrown. The probability of getting A. Probability of getting A. Okay. Total number of possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is total number of possibility. And A आने की possibility is 2. So 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. A part is the right option to choose from. Right away. Question number 5. How many non-square numbers lies between 36 square and 37 square? Non-square numbers निकालने हैं. Formula याद करो. देखो, n square and n plus 1 square के बीच में हमें non-square numbers निकालने होते थे. कैसे निकालते थे? N. Now n is 36. So 36. Answer would be 7. ध्यान से आंसर 36 नहीं लिख सकते थे, ट्वाइस होना था. Answer is 72. Find the smallest number by which 250 must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. की बात करिए. Start. 50. So 2, 125. Now 5, 25. Again 5, 3, 5. So 250 को मैंने फैक्टराइज कर दिया है प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन से. फैक्टर्स की फॉर्म में लिख रहा हूं. So here are they. So 5 का तो लेट कंप्लीट. मेरे को क्या बताना है? डिवाइड. डिवाइड किससे करें भाई? अगर मैं इसको हटा दूं, मेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. डिवाइड बाय, प्रॉब्लम इज सॉर्टेड. डिवाइड बाय 2. A part is the right option. Question number 7. The top view of a cuboid looks like. Top view की बात कर रहा है. Cuboid. Okay. This is a cube. So, ये आया टॉप व्यू. अगर मैं इसको ऊपर से देखूं तो हमें सिर्फ ये दिखेगा. ये क्या है? लेंथ, ब्रेड्थ. क्या बन गया? रेक्टेंगल. इट्स नॉट अ सर्कल, ऑफ कोर्स. स्क्वायर हो नहीं सकता बिकॉज क्यूबॉइड की बात करी है. ट्रायंगल. कम ऑन. सी रेक्टेंगल दिख रहा था. किसी की भी इसमें गलती नहीं हो सकती. राइट. द नंबर this is divisible by 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 8, 7 is divisible by, okay, 5 से divisibility, यार 0 या 5 होना चाहिए, 11 से divisibility एंड 3 से divisibility चेक करनी है. चलो सबसे पहले हम 3 से divisibility चेक करेंगे. Divisibility by 3 means add all the digits को add किया मैंने, तो सबको add किया, I got 33. Number is divisible by 3 means the entire number is divisible. 33 is divisible by 3, तो मतलब कि number is divisible by 3. Sum of digits is divisible by 3. पता है ये चीज. Question number 9. Name the following polyhedron. Polyhedron. देखो ऊपर एक पॉइंट है, तो मतलब कि पिरामिड बनेगा. प्रिज्म तो हो नहीं सकता, पिरामिड हो सकता है, पिरामिड हो सकता है, प्रिज्म नहीं. नाउ आगे पेंटागोनल होगा, हेक्सागोनल होगा, हमें यहां से पता चलेगा हाउ मेनी साइड्स, 1 2 3 5 and 6. हेक्सागोनल पिरामिड. आंसर इज पार्ट. देखो बिल्कुल सिंपल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, थिंक एंड राइट. सेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. If this is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of x is, okay, divisibility by 9. Sum of digits should be divisible by 9. जैसे 3 का होता है यार. बिल्कुल सिंपल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. ऐड कर दोगे कितना आएगा, 17 प्लस x. अब x की जगह पे मैं क्या रखूं, डिविजिबल नंबर. यार इसके नियरेस्ट तो 18 है, फिर 27 आएगा. सो x की जगह मैं क्या रखूं, 1. बन गया, 1 डाल देते हैं. 0 1 2 3, 27 की तो जरूरत ही नहीं है. इसी से आंसर निकल. Answer is B part. MCQs are done. Straight away jumping on. Fill in the blanks. 5 questions. Fill in the blanks. Still 1 mark each. The numbers dash and dash are their own reciprocal. सबको पता है 1 का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा. देखो 1 के नीचे 1 ही तो होता है, 1 ही बनेगा. -1 के नीचे 1 होता है, इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर देंगे तो 1 by -1 which is nothing but -1. वो चीजें पता है, 1 and -1. Right option. Solution of this equation. Wonderful. Easy, simple, straightforward question. So 3y is equal to 65. That would be 21. So 21 यहाँ आ गया, 3 यहाँ पे था, division में ले गए, 3 7 21. Solution is, that's it. Right. Question number 30. The angle sum of all the interior angles of a convex polygon with 7 sides. Sum of interior angles of a convex polygon with 7 sides. 7 sides. देखो इंटीरियर एंगल्स का सम कैसे निकालते हैं, n-2 into 180. Now 7 sides, 7 minus 2. सीधा लिखो यार, सीधा ऑप्शन. 5 into 180, that would be 9. Right. Not a subjective paper, करके नहीं दिख. आंसर लिखो सीधा, is 900. Right. Next one. Question number 40. A triangular pyramid has इतने faces और इतने edges. Triangular pyramid. Triangle बना दी. Triangular pyramid means यहां पे हमने एक point ले लिया. Connect. I'm so sorry guys. It has to be 1 point. So number of faces. देखो एक face ये बन रहा है, एक face ये बन रहा है, एक के पीछे वाला बन रहा है और एक के नीचे. 4 faces. Edges. 1 3 4 5 6. बाकी कर दिया. 6 is, बना के देख लो भाई. ट्रायंगल नीचे बनाया, पिरामिड मींस ऊपर एक पॉइंट ले लिया. दैट्स इट. ऐसे ही करना होता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. 1 ए, ये एक नंबर है, उसको ए से ही मल्टीप्लाई किया, मेरा आंसर आना चाहिए 9. ए को ए से मल्टीप्लाई किया, ए की 1 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 1 बनना चाहिए. अगर मैं यहाँ पे 11 ले लूं 1, तो ये 91 बनेगा? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. ओके, सो 2 पे तो जाएगा नहीं. कर सकते हो 2 इंटू 2 4 होता है गाइस. तो 3 इंटू 3 9 होता है. नंबर सेम नहीं आ रहा है. 4 4 16 होता है. Last digit is not 4. 5 into 5, that would be 5. Of course 5 बन गया, I can use it. 15 into 5 to check it. 5 5s are 25 to 75, but ये तो 95 होना चाहिए था. Absolutely not. I cannot take this. I cannot take this. 6 into 6, that is 6. Last में भी 6 बन रहा है. Let's check it. 1 6 6 6 6 3 and 96. Wonderful. A की वैल्यू बन गया. Solved it. Right? A की वैल्यू 6. Question 16 to 20. Answer the questions. Up fill in the blanks भी नहीं है. You have to directly write the answer. Find the class size of the class interval. Okay. Class interval में class size कैसे निकलेगा? 17 minus. That would give you a straightforward one. Question number 17 is 1008. I'm so sorry. Is 1008 a perfect square? Give reasons. Reasons भी देने हैं. 1008 की प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके दिखा देते हैं. देख लेते हैं भाई सारे के सारे हमारे पेयर्स कंप्लीट हो गए या नहीं हुए. Let's see. So 1008 2 से डिवाइड किया. So 504 again 2, that would be 252. Again it is divisible by 2, that would give me 126. ठीक है. Again it is divisible by 2, 63. No, it is not divisible by, it is divisible by 3. 3 से किया 21. Again it is divisible by 3. यहाँ पे आ गया 7. So 1008 की prime factorization would give me 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 3, 3, 7. So first pair complete, second pair complete, third pair complete, and 7 का pair complete नहीं है. Once 7 pair is not complete, means it is not a perfect square. Not a perfect, right? Question number 18. Find the cube root of 15,625. 15,625, of course, 5. 3125. Again, it is divisible by 5. That would be 625. Again, it is divisible by 5. That would be 125. Again, it is divisible by 5. 25. Again, it is divisible by 5. 5. 15,625. Prime factorization kariye, I got 5 into 5 into 5 in 5 into 2 5. Cube root निकालना है, means triplets बनाए. Cube root of 15,625 would be 5 into 5, that is 25. Right? Question number 19. Write the additive inverse of this. Additive inverse, low. It's cancelled by 5. मेरे पास बन गया. Additive inverse. Additive inverse be minus 2 by 5. Right? So, question number 20. Last question of part 1. 2 times the sum of number y and 7, 16. Find the value of y. Times the sum of y plus 7, 16. So y plus 7 would be equal to 16 by 2, that would be 8. Y की value would be. Part 1 is complete. I hope you have got full 20 marks. Let's move on to part 2. Part 2 of the paper. Now, part 2 consists of case studies. Let's start with case study number 1. Preeti wants to wish her teachers on Teachers' Day by giving them a self-made greeting card. She chooses a green-colored square sheet of paper. Area of the paper was 5184 centimeter square. Find the side of the greeting card. It is a square sheet. देखो square sheet कैसी है? ऐसी है. Side x, दोनों की दोनों side x होंगी. So area क्या लिख सकता हूं मैं? X square is equal to 5184. And you want to find x, means square root of 5184. right? Square root of 5184, we already know it is 72. Very simple, we have already done it in the class, how to take squares and square roots up to 125, right? But 5184 को अगर मैंने प्राइम फैक्टराइज किया मेरे को इजीली आंसर दिखना चाहिए. So 2 से डिविजिबल है 2592. Again this number is divisible by 2. 1296. 1296. Again it is divisible by 2. It would be 648. Again it is divisible by 2. It will be 324. Again it is divisible by 2, which would be 162. Again it is divisible by 2. It would be 81. Okay, so 81 को हम अलग से देख लेते हैं because space was finished on that page. So 81 3 से divisible है 27, again 3, 9, again 3. So अगर मैंने इनकी प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन लिखी, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, कितने आए थे मेरे पास? 1 2 3 4 5 6, राइट? उसके बाद 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Now I have to make pairs 1 2 3, 1 2. So 2 2 3 into 3. That would be equal to 72. Yeah, B part is the right option, right? Question number 22. Straight away jumping onto it. Square of an even number is always square of an even number. देखो स्क्वायर करना है किसी भी इवन नंबर का, राइट? मींस इवन नंबर को इवन नंबर से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So दो इवन नंबर्स को अगर मैं मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, इट विल बी एन इवन नंबर. स्क्वायर रूट इज डिनोटेड बाय, किस सिंबल से डिनोट करते हैं? 3 टाइम्स से, या सिर्फ रूट से, या 2 टाइम्स ऑफ द रूट से? वी नो, सही करते हैं. टाइम बचाओ यहां पे, यू कैन सेव टाइम ओवर हियर. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 60 कितना आएगा? 6,40,000 विल हैव हाउ मेनी जीरोस? अगर इसका स्क्वायर रूट लेना है भाई, जीरोस काउंट करनी है, पेयर्स बना लो जीरो के. हाउ मेनी जीरोस? जीरोस. अदरवाइज चेक कर लो, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन कर लो, आपको मिल जाएगा आंसर. बट मेरे ख्याल से हमने ये प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी हुई है. यू शुड बी एबल टू डायरेक्टली राइट द आंसर. स्क्वायर ऑफ अ नेगेटिव नंबर इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव नंबर. ओके, एक नेगेटिव नंबर आया मेरे पास इनटू अनदर नेगेटिव नंबर, तभी तो स्क्वायर बनेगा. नेगेटिव इनटू नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव इनटू नेगेटिव होता क्या है? पॉजिटिव नंबर. सो नेगेटिव नंबर का अगर मैं स्क्वायर करूंगा, इट विल बी इवन, ऑड, नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव. पॉजिटिव. डी पार्ट इज द राइट ऑप्शन. Case study 2. During math lab activity, each student was given 4 broomsticks of length 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter to make different shapes of quadrilaterals. Square बन सकता है, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezoid, rhombus and kite. पहले से ही बता दिया कि भाई यही बना सकते और कुछ नहीं बना सकते. So now you have to check. Lengths दो 8 दी हुई हैं and widths दो 5 दी हुई हैं, right? So how many quadrilaterals can be formed using these sticks? रेक्टेंगल तो दिख रही थी भाई, ये 8 ले लिया, ये भी 8 ले लिया, ये 5 ले लिया, ये 5. What else? Of course I can make a parallelogram also. 8 8 5 5. स्क्वायर तो बन नहीं सकता, everything has to be same. इसके अंदर ये दोनों भी डिफरेंट होने चाहिए, ये भी नहीं बन सकता. rhombus, everything has to be equal, नहीं हो सकता. काइट हो सकती है, देखो लॉन्गर साइड है, 8 8 5 5. So हम रेक्टेंगल भी बना सकते हैं, पैरेललोग्राम भी बना सकते हैं, काइट भी बना सकते हैं. So we have 3 different type of quadrilaterals. Okay, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral, nothing to do. दो ट्राइंगल्स में आप तोड़ सकते हो एक quadrilateral को, अगर आपको याद नहीं भी है. 180 180 actually याद होना चाहिए. We have been using it for a very long time. 360 is the right option. A part. Name the quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are equal. Both pair of opposite sides. Opposite. Kite में opposite तो equal होती नहीं, trapezium में भी opposite equal नहीं होती, rectangle में होती हैं. C part is option. D, none of these. क्यों करना है भाई? rectangle पे मेरे को option मिल चुका है. Right? Next one. The parallelogram has its opposite angles equal, unequal. Both of these कैसे हो सकता है? अनइक्वल तो होते नहीं, बोथ ऑफ दीज हो नहीं सकते, नन ऑफ दीज. इक्वल पता था पहले से ही आंसर, आपको पीछे जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. अ डायगोनल डिवाइड्स अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इनटू, अभी तो देखा था डिवाइड्स इनटू टू ट्रायंगल्स, क्योंकि हमने उसको यूज तो किया था अभी, टू इन द एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. ये देखो यही तो किया था, तो दो ट्रायंगल्स में ही टूटा ना. ट्रेपीजियम, पेंटागन्स एंड हेक्सागन्स, नो नीड, राइट. केस स्टडी 3 स्टैटिस्टिक्स पे. द फॉलोइंग पाई चार्ट represents the marks scored by students. If we obtain 540 as total marks, answer the following question. In which subject did the student score 120 marks? अब मेरे को क्या निकालना है? इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, हिंदी, साइंस. इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, हिंदी, साइंस. भाई ये सारे सब्जेक्ट्स मेरे को सेंट्रल एंगल से मिल सकते हैं, राइट? सेंट्रल एंगल कैसे निकालते हैं यार? देखो, अगर सेंट्रल एंगल पता होता है, ठीक है, डिवाइडेड बाय 360 इंटू 540 करके हम मार्क्स निकाल लेते हैं, राइट. मेरे पास मार्क्स ऐसे आएंगे उसके, राइट, क्योंकि सेंट्रल एंगल से हमने यूज कर लिया, बट सेंट्रल एंगल वाज नॉट गिवन, दैट्स व्हाई आई टुक इट एक्स. नाउ अब ये दिया हुआ दिस इज इक्वल टू 120 बनाओ ना. आपको लीनियर इक्वेशन सीखी किस लिए? अब 36 है, 18, 18 2 18, so cross x is equal to 120 into by 40 times जाएगा, means x is 80 degrees, 80 degrees. English is the right option. इतना ही सिंपल था, right? Next one. In which subject did he get minimum marks? Minimum marks कैसे पता चलेगा? जिसका सेंट्रल एंगल सबसे छोटा होगा. सेंट्रल एंगल सबसे छोटा है 55, means हिंदी. I don't have to find it out because उसने बोला नहीं. बताओ, what is the difference in marks obtained मैथ्स एंड इंग्लिश? इंग्लिश के तो भाई हमें मार्क्स पता है, भाई इंग्लिश टेक किया था, इंग्लिश के मार्क्स मेरे पास 120 हैं ऑलरेडी. मैथ्स के मार्क्स मैं निकाल लेता हूं. मैथ्स के मार्क्स कितने आएंगे? 90 डिग्री है बाय 360 मींस 1/4 आ गया ना सीधा. आपके दिमाग में छप जाना चाहिए भाई 1/4 की बात करी है इसने, ठीक है. सो ये तो मेरे को पता ही है, टाइम्स दिस इज 3 टाइम्स ये 45 आ गया. सो ये कितना हो गया? 135. मैथ्स के मार्क्स हो गए 135, दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, आंसर वुड बी 3. इसको करने का एक और तरीका भी था. कैसे? देखो, सेंट्रल एंगल ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स वाज 90, इंग्लिश का था 80. डिफरेंस किया, सेंट्रल एंगल कितना आया? 10 डिग्रीज. यही मार्क्स चाहिए ना. 10 डिग्रीज पे मार्क्स निकाल लो कितने हैं. 10 डिग्रीज बाय 360 इंटू 540, so this goes to 3/2, so this will be 5. आंसर यहां से भी 15 ही है. एन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, जब आप बड़ी क्लासेस में चले जाओगे ऐसे फटाक से आंसर देना, ठीक है. मेरे ख्याल से काफी बच्चों ने यह टेक्निक सीख भी ली होगी, राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 34. इन विच सब्जेक्ट डिड ही गेट मैक्सिमम मार्क्स? मैक्सिमम मार्क्स मींस सेंट्रल एंगल शुड बी मैक्सिमम. सेंट्रल एंगल मैक्सिमम इज मैथमेटिक्स. obtain the sum of marks in science and हिंदी. इसमें हम नई टेक्निक यूज करेंगे, साइंस एंड हिंदी. साइंस में सेंट्रल एंगल वाज 65, हिंदी में सेंट्रल एंगल वाज 55. साइंस एंड हिंदी में सेंट्रल एंगल कितना हो जाएगा दोनों मिला के? 120 बाय 60 by 40, right? So this is 3/2, so 260 means C part is the right answer. इतना तेजी से किया, नहीं तो मैं साइंस के अलग से निकालता, हिंदी के अलग से निकालता. क्यों निकालूं? हमें तो एडिशन करके निकालना है. केस स्टडी नंबर 4. फेस देखो दिखाया हुआ कैसा है, एज देखो दिखाई हुई कैसी है, वर्टेक्स भी बताया हुआ है कैसा है. राइट द नंबर ऑफ फेसेस. फेसेस कितने हैं? 1 2 3, यहां पर टिक करते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5, एंड ये नीचे वाला 6 और ये ऊपर वाला 7. तो नंबर 7 फेसेस. देखो 5 तो यहीं दिख रहे हैं, एक ऊपर एक नीचे, ठीक है. राइट द नंबर ऑफ एजेस. एजेस 5 ऊपर 5 नीचे और 5 साइड में, 15. आंसर इज 15. देखो काउंटिंग कितनी तेज हो रही है. राइट द नंबर ऑफ वर्टिसेस. 1 2 3 4 5 ऊपर पेंटागन पे, 5 नीचे पेंटागन पे, 10 वर्टिसेस 10 है, बिल्कुल सिंपल, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट इज f plus v is equal to e plus 2 for this polyhedron? Yes, इस फॉर्मूला तो करेगा ही करेगा। Polyhedron is made up of curves, line segments, curves and lines। यार कर्व्स कहां से आ गई? कर्व्स तो हो ही नहीं सकती, लाइन सेगमेंट से ही बना है। आंसर इज बी। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू सेक्शन बी नाउ। Section B. Now, 41 to 45 are very short answer questions. Very short, right? Represent -3/7 and 5/7 on the number line. यार इसमें तो बिल्कुल भी कुछ नहीं था। I'll draw freehand so that you can understand how to make it. This is 0. I'll take 1 as far, as well as -1 also far. So, how many sections I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 parts, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts. So 5/7 lena hai. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 5. This is 5/7. Right? This is 1. Up again, -3/7 lena hai. Equally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So third part, 1, 2, 3, this would be -3/7. That's it. इतना ही simple था, but equally spaced होने चाहिए। मेरे equally spaced नहीं थे because I was drawing it rough hand. I just give you a gist के how it was supposed to be done to get full marks over here. Right? 42. Find the value of x in the given equation. x की value निकालनी है। भाई x तो अलग अलग है। एक काम करो, cross multiply। 2x plus 3 is equal to 4 into x plus 8. Distributive property लगानी पड़ेगी यहाँ पे। So 2x plus 3 will be equal to 4x plus 8 4s are 32. 4x इधर आ गया। Minus 2x is equal to 32 minus 3. So minus 2x क्यों? सीधा लिख देंगे आंसर। This would be 29 by minus 2. x की वैल्यू आ गई -29/2। Yeah, that's simple, guys. बिल्कुल simple, straightforward question, right? Next one. Find the value of y in the given equation. This. इसमें आप पॉइंट्स दे दिए, इसमें क्या हार्म था? y को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ले आओ, सारे नंबर्स को राइट हैंड साइड पे ले जाओ, राइट? सो 0.35 y and minus 0.32y will give me 0.03y, right? मेरे ख्याल से ये सबका आ गया। अब 2, 3 and 2, 5 को ऐड करना है, पॉइंट यहां पे आया 0.048। सो y की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0.048 बाय 0.03। अब यहां तक तो बच्चों ने इजीली लिख लिया। प्रॉब्लम देख लेते हैं, भी प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है। एक काम करो, इसका डेसिमल हटाओ। सो यहां पे आ गया 48/1000, राइट? अब आपके पास था 0.03, तो 3 यहां लिखा पर 100 डिवाइड कर दिया। दिस इज गॉन 3 16 टाइम्स। नीचे 10 है, y इज इक्वल टू 1.6। आंसर नहीं आता डायरेक्टली काटना, भाई आप डेसिमल हटा दो, इजीली लिख सकते हो आंसर, उससे गलती भी नहीं होगी, राइट? मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p and q. Okay, so what should I add into 3? वो ऐड किया। What should I add into 3 so that I can get 7? q की value is easy, it is 4. 3 plus 4 is always 7. 4 plus 7, 1. 4 plus 7 is 11, means 1 has to go over here. Now, p plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 9. So, देखो, p plus 3 is equal to 9. So, p has to be 6. P has to be 6. Otherwise, it will not solve. Done. Next one. Oh, एक और था इसका और part. Done. AB into 6 is equal to b into b into b. Not b into b into b. Actually, it's a number b. Right? यहाँ पे number आएगा. These are digits. A is a digit, B is a digit. So A and B की values रखनी है. first I will solve this. B into 6 should be equal to B. Let's start with the very basic one. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. दोनों match ही नहीं कर रहे. No, I will not take this. 2 into 6, which is 12. 2 and 2 match कर रहा है. Let me give it a try. A 2 6 2 2 2. 6 2s are 12. Wonderful. 1 carry. 6 into A. 6 into A, I can make it as 6 3s are 18. Plus 1, 19 ही आ सकता है. If I keep A as 3, nearest. If I take A as 4, 6 4s are 24, number बड़ा हो जाएगा. I cannot take this, means I have to exclude it. Right? 3 into 6 is 18. 3 and 8, no, I cannot use it. Now, 4 into 6 is 24. Again, there is a chance. Match kar raha hai. So, again, A4 into 6 has to be 4, 4, 4. 6 4s are 24. Wonderful. Right? Now, still I have to put it over here. 6 into A. 44 ke kareeb. 7 6 are 42. If I take it as 7 6 are 42 into 2, that is 44. Wonderful, I got it. Put A as 7 and B as 6. B as 4. A as 7, B as 4. Many of you would have done the previous one, which was the easier one. This was a little bit complicated, but not a difficult one. Even if someone would have attempted, would have got the right answer in just a step. Right? Question number 44. Is 864 a perfect cube? Perfect cube. How can we find it? Oh, using prime factorization, right? So 864, if we do prime factorization, it is divisible by 2. 432, again it is divisible by 2, it is 216. Again it is divisible by 2, it is 108. Again it is divisible by 2, 54. Again it is divisible by 2, it would be 27. Now it is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3, it is 9, 3 and 3. Perfect cube. 864 के factors form में लिख लेते हैं. Factor 2 into 2. कितने 2s हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2s. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we get 3. How many 3s we have? 3 3s. Now, perfect cube की बात करिए means I have to form triplets. First triplet done, second triplet done. यहाँ पे triplet is not complete. No, it is not a perfect cube. Working, I have shown. I hope if you have done this much also, you would have gotten full marks over here. Jumping on to 45. This is the last question of section B. No, not section B, actually very short answer questions, right? In the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. Just use this. 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 1. You take it over here. Minus 2x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to 3. Here you got all your answers. X is 3. Let's move on to the short answer questions. Okay. Find the value using suitable properties. Okay. Now these are short answer questions, means more marks. Right? चलो करते हैं इस पे. Find the value. Properties का use करना है. Just that's it. Okay. 3 by 4, minus 5 by 7, minus 1 by 10, minus 5 by 7, minus 5 by 7. I think we should combine these, means associate these together. Minus 5 by 7, minus 1 by 10. Oh, minus 1 by 10 नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. यहाँ पे आएगा minus 5 by 7 into 3 by 5. Minus 1 by 10 will be here, and I will be using associative property. Right? Now, minus 5 by 7, I'll take it in front and bracket में into 3 by 4. Again, minus 5 by 7, I'll be taking out common using distributive property. So minus 5 by 7 would be in the bracket into 3 by 5. think ahead what you are going to do. So here you did commutative property because you changed the positions. So minus 5 by 7 in the next step is taken out common, means you are using distributive property. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5, bracket close, minus 1 by 10. This is a distributive property rule, right? So minus 5 by 7 into, I'll take the LCM in the bracket. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. Bracket close, minus 1 by 10. I hope you are not getting bored of it. The calculation has to be done. 15 plus 12, that would be 27 by 20 minus 1 by 10. So 7 se to divisible है नहीं. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20, minus 27 by 20. 7 4s are 28, minus 1 by 10. LCM would be 280. No, I'll take it as 140. 28 5 times 27 5 is 135 minus 135, and that will be 14 times minus 49, and the answer would be minus 149 by 140. Straight away answer, right? अगर आपने ये सारे steps लिखे हैं, and even if you have mentioned the properties, you cannot write it over here as A or C or D. It has to be associative, commutative, and distributive to get marks over here. Or part was also there. Verify A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So you have to actually verify this property, right? So I will take it as LHS. A plus B plus C has to be filled in first. So A is 2 by 3 plus B is minus 6 by 7 plus 4 by 5. Of course, I know what I have to do. I have to take the LCM. So that would be 35. That would be minus 30. 7 4 is 28. Right? Not a difficult task. 2 by 3 minus, of course, this is negative, minus 2 by 35. I'm straight away writing it so that you don't get bored of it. 35 3 105, so 35 270, and 35 3 times, so 3 6 times, so that would be 64 by 105. Verification के लिए we have to solve RHS as well and show that the value remains the same. Now in this, A plus B bracket plus C, so first I'll add A plus B, so means 2 by 3 plus minus 6 by 7 plus 4 by 5. So LCM would be 7 3 21, 7 14 minus 18, 6 3s are 18. This would be plus 4 by 5. And this would come out to be minus 4 by 21 plus 4 by 5. And the LCM would be 105. So 21 5 5 4s are 20 minus 20, 21 times 21 4s, that would be 84. And that would be positive 64 by 105. And now I can say LHS is RHS, which is verified. That's it. Our part is also done, and question number 46 is finally finished. The breadth of a rectangular garden is 2/3 of its length. If its perimeter is 40, find its dimensions. Now, अगर मेरे पास एक rectangular garden है, you have to write let the length of the garden is x, so the breadth of the garden would be 2/3 of x. And I can find the perimeter very easily. It is 2 times L plus B. You have to mention this as a formula, otherwise marks might be deducted. 2 times L is x, B is 2x by 3. Okay, so directly I'll be taking the LCM. So 3 and 5x by 3. LCM मैंने directly ले लिया. I think you are old enough to actually recognize it. So it would be 10x by 3. Right? So 10x by 3, and I will be equating this perimeter with 40. So x is equal to 40 into 3 by 10, 4 times. Answer x is 12. Dimensions means length is equal to 12, and I have to get breadth, which is 2/3 of 12. So that would be 3 fours are right, so that would be 8 meters length. Yeah, simple, straightforward, and understanding करके सीधा आंसर लिख सकते थे. Right? Question number 48. Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose exterior angle is 40. Okay. एक तो उसने रेगुलर पॉलीगन की बात करी, मींस ऑल द एंगल्स आर इक्वल. सिंपल, सीधा दिमाग में छप जाना चाहिए. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ साइड्स मींस यू हैव टू फाइंड n, and the exterior angle measure is 40 degrees. Exterior angle. So you can find sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angles कितना होगा? 360. Each exterior angle 360 by n. Now 360 by n is equal to 40. So n would be equal to 360 by d, means this is 9 sides. That's it. Such a simple, straightforward question. How many diagonals does a regular polygon, regular hexagon has? Diagonals. Hexagon mein how many sides are there? 6 sides. And is 6. Number of diagonals. How do we calculate number of diagonals? You have to write the formula. Number of diagonals is given by n into n minus 3 by 2. And you have the value of n. Wow. 6 into 6 minus 3 by 2. So 6 into 3 by 2. That would be again, wow, wonderful. These are 9 diagonals. See, यहाँ पे भी आप speed बना सकते हो. If you understand, if you have done enough practice, you can find out the solutions as quickly as possible. Our part is still remaining. ABCD is a parallelogram. Of course, it is given as I can see it in the figure. Find the value of x and y. Okay. State the properties used. Okay. So, properties. कौन-कौन सी properties use करी? AO is equal to OC. And DO is equal to OD. कौन सी property use करी? Diagonals bisect each other. That's it. This was the property used. इसके marks हैं, दिया हुआ है. So AO, it is already given as x plus 8 and OC is given as x 16 minus x. So x की side change करी, 8 की side change करी, we'll get 8 and x would be equal to 4. So BO, that is 5y plus 4 and OD is equal to 2y plus 13. So if I take this over here, it would be 3y and 4 is taken over here, it would be 9, y would be 3. X is 4, y is 3. Simple, straightforward. Question number 41, 49. 49. What is the least number that must be subtracted from 3793 so as to get a perfect square? Also find the square root of the number so obtained. Perfect square banana hai. Number should be subtracted. Subtracted wala question means I have to go with long division. So 3793 long division pairs bana diye maine, right? So 6. The numbers should be same. 6 6 36. I've subtracted. I got 193. 193. 6 का double 12. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे जगह बची होनी चाहिए. So I will put 1 यार. 121 ही हो सकता है. So 121, and if I subtracted, I would get as 72. So the number should be subtracted is 72. right? Now, find the square root of the number so obtained. Number निकालना पड़ेगा, number obtained. सबसे पहले नंबर निकाल लेते हैं. 3793 minus 72, that would be 3721, right? 3721. So I have to find the square root of 371. That would be 61. So ढूंढ लिया हमने. Finally got the answer. See, straightforward, simple question. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 50. Find the smallest number by which the number 392 must be multiplied to obtain a perfect cube. 392 में मैं क्या multiply करूं to obtain it as a perfect cube? Perfect cube multiply करना है means we have only one method, that is prime factorization. So 392 की हम prime factorization कर देते हैं. We know the number is divisible by 2, so it would be 196. Again it is divisible by 2, it would be 98. Again it is divisible by 2, it would be 49. 7 and 7, right? So 392 की prime factorization करी, we got 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7. 2 का तो ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट हो गया, 7 का ट्रिपलेट कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, राइट? मेरे पास 2 7 आए, आई नीड 1 more 7 to complete that triplet. So किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूं? 7 से. Multiply it with 7. By 7. That's it. Question number 51. The numerator of a rational number is less than the denominator by 3. Okay. The numerator is 3 times and the denominator is increased by 3. The numerator becomes, the number becomes 1 by 8. Find the original number. मेरे को सबसे पहली ओरिजिनल आपको फ्रैक्शन मिली थी. द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ रैशनल नंबर इज लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर बाय 3. सो लेट द डिनोमिनेटर बी x लेके, लेट द डिनोमिनेटर बी x लेके, वील स्टार्ट. डिनोमिनेटर इज x, सो न्यूमरेटर क्या बन जाएगा? लेस है कितना? 3 से. सो न्यूमरेटर वुड बी x minus 3. इफ द न्यूमरेटर बिकम्स 3 times, x minus 3 का times. And the denominator tha x, is increased by 20. Done. The new number becomes 1 by 8. Right? So find the original number. Original number तो तब आएगा when we get x. तभी यहाँ पे x put कर दिया, x मिल गया तो x minus 3 भी मिल गया. I will get the fraction. So means x की value निकालनी है. You have to solve this, right? So cross multiply. So 8 3s are 24 into x minus 3 is equal to x plus 20, right? So कितना आ जाएगा? 24x. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? Distributive property का use कर रहा हूँ. So 24 into 3 would be 72. That would be minus 72 x plus 20. X की जगह change, it would be 2 3 23x. So 20 plus 72 would be 92. So x value would be 92 by 20. 23 ones are 23 times. So x की value कितनी आ गई? 4. Now the fraction would be 4 minus 3 and 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1, x is 4. This would be 1 by 4. That is the answer. Right? Next one. अब आ गए हम लोग लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस पे. 52, 53 एंड 54 ऑल आर लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस. पूरे पूरे निकालने पड़ेंगे. Right? So means पूरा descriptive way में लिखेंगे to get the final solution. Find the three rational numbers between minus 5 by 6 and minus 6 by 7. इसके बीच में three rational numbers निकालने हैं. Right? So minus 5 by 6 and minus 6 by 7. Three rational numbers निकालने हैं. First, what I'll do, I'll take the LCM. LCM of 6 and 7 would be 42. So minus 5 by 6, 7 times, and minus 6 by 7, 6 times, into 6 times. This would be 7 5s are 35, minus 35 by 42, and here would be minus 30 6 by 42. Right? Now, can I find three rational numbers in between them? Not at all. You have to multiply by 10, numerator and denominator both. So I can write it over here directly. Minus 35 by 42 multiply by 10 in the numerator, multiply by 10 in the denominator, and यहाँ पे आ जाएगा minus 36 by 42. Numerator may be 10 से multiply, denominator may be 10 से multiply, so this would be minus 350 by 420, and here it would be minus 360 by 40. Right, so minus 350 by 420 and minus 360 by 420. Can I find 3 now? Yes, minus 351 by 420, minus 352 by 420, and minus 333. Right, I got 3 of them ready over there. Right, 353 के बाद 354, 5, 6, 7, 8, भाई जितने मर्जी ले लो. You have to write only 3, so I took the first 3 what I found out. Right, part 2. Simplify. Minus 8 by 13 minus 3 by 26. इसको simplify करना है. I have to take the LCM, of course. So it would be 26. So 2 into minus 8 minus of minus 3. So minus 16 plus 3 by 26. So it would be minus 13 by 26. 13 ones are 13 twos are. Answer should be 1 by 2. Negative. Minus 1 by 2 should be the right one. Right? Question number 53. Number of workers in an office during the last 6 years are as follows. Draw the histogram representing the data in which year the number of workers is minimum and maximum. Number of workers minimum and maximum, of course you have to find it from the graph, but you can find the answer from the data itself. Number of workers minimum कौन से year में थे? 20. Maximum कौन से year में थे? इसमें means maximum is here and minimum is here. Right, now the main thing is you have to draw the histogram. Right, so means x-axis, y-axis. Of course you have to draw the kink over here. Now it would start from 1992 to 1993, 1994, 1995. Done. And here it would be everything is multiple of 5, so I would take it as 5, 10, 15, 35, 35 and so on. So यहाँ पे आ गए number of workers. जिस चीज के marks हैं I'm writing that. यहाँ पे आ गए years. You have to write the scale. Of course I know you can draw it very easily. So scale x-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 year, and on y-axis 1 unit is equal to 1 unit कितना है? 5 workers. Right, so 1992, 93 में there were, like, you have to draw like this, of course, on the graph with scale and pencil, and the next would be 25. So histogram carry on. So जहाँ पे highest आ जाएगा, like highest block, so you will get the highest, and where in the last it would be the smallest block, it would be minimum. You can make it and actually do it on the histogram itself, on the graph paper. Right, question number 54, which is the last one. Right, find the smallest number which is divisible by each of these numbers. Smallest square number. Right, first you have to find the smallest number. How to find the smallest number? I think we know it is LCM. We have been doing it from class 5. So 4, 8 and 12. Smallest number सबसे पहले हम निकालेंगे. So it would be 2, 2, 2 are 4, 2, 4 are 8. 2, 6 are 12. Again, it is divisible by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 2 4 2 3 is 6. And now again 2 1 1 and 3 again 3 1 1 1. So smallest number which divides these is this. Now I want to find the square number. इसका तो pair complete है. इसका pair नहीं है, so I'll multiply with 2. And इसका भी pair complete नहीं है, I'll complete the pair and multiply it with 3. This is the smallest number which is a square number. Of course, pairs मैंने complete कर लिए हैं. And it is divisible by all of these numbers. Right? Not a difficult one. So 4 into 4 to 9. This would be 144. Smallest square number divisible by 4, 8, and 2. Right? Next one. Part 2. Find the square root of 15.21. 15.21. I have only one method, long division. 15.21. Pairs बना लिए हैं. So 15, 4 4s are 16, it would go up. यहाँ पे number same होना चाहिए. 3 3 9. I can take this one only. Subtraction, I would get 6. Decimal, 21 is over here. 3 का double, 6. यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे number should be same. And I know the number that would be 9. This will completely divide this. So, find the square root. Square root of 15.21 is equal to 3.9. Answer. Simple task, right? Or part is still remaining. So 54th के दो parts थे. Whichever you like, you would have done that. Find the smallest number by which 9408 must be divided so that it becomes a perfect square. Okay. So perfect square बनाने के लिए divided की बात करिए, I need prime factorization. So 9408 की हमने prime factorization करनी है. Means this number is divisible by 2. This would be 4704. Again, it is divisible by 2. Let me think. 2352. Again, it is divisible by 2 because it is an even number. It would be 1176. Again, it is divisible by 2. 588. Again, it is divisible by 2. It would be 294. Divisible by 2. It would be 147. Now it is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3. It would be 49. 7. Right? So 9408 की हमने prime factorization कर दी है. So means it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 into 2. 2 into 2. 2 into 3 into 7. 7. So first pair, second pair, third pair. And 7 का भी pair complete है. So divide करना है. किससे divide करूं? जिसका pair complete नहीं है. Divide by that's it. Part 2. 5929 students are sitting in an auditorium in such a manner that there are as many students in a row that there are rows in an auditorium. Okay. देखो ये auditorium है. इसके अंदर like यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ पे भी, यहाँ पे भी all the places students will be sitting. Right? अब उन्होंने बोला है there are as many students in a row as there are rows in an auditorium. Right? So एक row में I don't know how many students will sit. I'll take it as X. Second row maybe there are X students. Third row maybe there are X students. Now how many rows are there? Can I find total number of students sitting in an auditorium? Yes. X rows, and in each row X students are sitting, so X into X is equal to 5929. Means X square is equal to 5929. Now I have to find how many rows are there. Rows is given by X. Let the number of rows be X. You have to put it in that way. So X square is 5929. So X is equal to under root of 5929. So 5929 का square root निकालना है. Simple task. आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन का यूज कर सकते हो, और यू कैन डायरेक्टली राइट इट एज 77. आई होप 5929 आप अपने आप कर लोगे. I have done so many of them. It is divisible by 7 as well as 11. So 77 is the right answer. Thank you guys and have a great day from our in classes. This concludes your discussion test. Thanks.